Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. This video reflects my personal experience with the product service. The Progressive Leasing Credit Builder card offers a unique path to building or rebuilding your credit. Available through select retailers, it's not your typical credit card. Instead of a revolving credit line, you're essentially pre-approving a lease-to-own agreement for merchandise. You make monthly payments on this lease, and Progressive Leasing reports these payments to the major credit bureaus. This consistent payment history can positively impact your credit score over time. One of the key advantages is the accessibility of the Credit Builder card. It's designed for individuals with poor or no credit history, offering a chance to establish a positive credit footprint. The application process is generally straightforward and doesn't require a hard credit check, which means it won't negatively affect your existing credit score. However, it's crucial to understand that this isn't a traditional credit card. You won't be building a revolving credit history, which some lenders prefer to see. You're also tied to purchasing from participating retailers, limiting your spending flexibility compared to a standard credit card. Furthermore, while building credit, it's essential to manage your lease payments responsibly. Missing payments can damage your credit score, negating the intended benefits of the program. Before applying, carefully consider the terms and conditions, including the total cost of the lease compared to the retail price. Lease-to-own agreements can sometimes be more expensive than purchasing outright. It's vital to factor this into your decision and ensure the potential credit-building benefits outweigh the added cost. Overall, the Progressive Leasing Credit Builder card can be a valuable tool for those looking to establish or improve their credit, especially if traditional credit card options are unavailable. However, it's important to understand its unique characteristics and potential drawbacks. By using the card responsibly and making timely payments, you can leverage it to build a better credit future. Explore the link in the description for more detailed information about Progressive Leasing and the Credit Builder card. This will allow you to make an informed decision about whether it's the right fit for your financial needs.